Well, I was referred by a friend. I was just telling her a little bit of my personal life with my husband and was looking for a solution, and she referred me to Flawless Skin by Abby. Well, I came in and got the procedure done. It was really good. It was about 45 minutes. What it is, it's tightening the walls of the vagina and also making it like very sweet and nice, very there's more liquid, like I have more liquid, I'm not as dry anymore. Awesome, very good customer service. It didn't hurt at all. It was very painless. It had no feeling to it. It felt like we were just talking with someone. The treatment was excellent. After, the results were so good. My husband, he's so happy with everything, and I thank you guys so much, and you guys will definitely be seeing me again. Thank you.